Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you today? I hope you are well. Okay, so today I will discuss the topic 3. And what is our topic's name? Legal occupations. Remember the last class, what did I discuss? It was the professional occupations. Now we discuss what the legal occupation. So at first we have to know, at first you have to read the whole topic. The whole topic very carefully and properly. Read at least 2 or 3 times. After that, I will explain you the whole topic. Okay, today what is our topic? The legal occupations. Topic 3. What is our topic? Legal occupations. Today is our topic is legal occupations. Now we have to know. You have to learn what is legal occupation or what is called legal occupations. Here, what is this? This is legal occupation. What is the definition of legal occupations? Who legal occupations who works in different types of legal department for earning money. That means for earning money they work in different types of legal department. For example, police, then lawyer, then judge, then army. This is called the example of the legal occupations. Now we will discuss about the all type of legal occupations. The first one is, what is this? Tell me. Who can read? What is this? Police. Yes, I know. What is this? This is police. So do you know? I think everybody you know. Who is police or what will the police do? What is police? First, you have to know the definition of the police. Okay, the definition of the police is a, a civil force of a state or a country who is responsible for the prevention of crime and the maintenance of public order. That means what will the police do, or who is police, or what is the definition of police? Who is responsible for the prevention of what? The crime, and who will take care our safety. This is called police. You see, yes, on the street you can see the different types of police, like the traffic police or CID. You know who is CID, and also the FBI officer. This is all the example of the police. Now what is this? The responsibilities. Do you know what is the responsibilities of the police? I think you everybody know what is the responsibilities of the police. Just can you tell me, someone? Just give me, what can you see? On the road we see every day what? The traffic police. What will the traffic police do? Traffic police control the movement of the transportation and also the control the traffic. This is the duty of the police. This is the duty of the traffic police. Then what will they other do? To protect the law and order of the country. What will they do? They do the protect the law, our law and order of the country. And you know what is their major responsibility? Their major responsibility is to bring the criminals where? To the court. And also what will they do? They caught the criminal. Yes, and also what will they do? To help the people to move safely on the road. This is the responsibilities of the police. Okay, now the next one. You just tell me, what is this? Who wants to be the judge? Are you interested to want to the judge, or what is your aim in life? When you grow up, what do you want to be? Want? Judge? Okay, what is judge? Do you know what is judge? A judge is the person in the court of the law who, who hears and decides the cases. Like someone discuss about the cases, what will the judge do? Can you see, can you watch the television or any movie? What will the judge do? Always time they just do order, 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 or the court is adjourned. This is the judge. Okay, what is their duty? A judge is the person in the court of the law who decides and hears the cases. Now, responsibilities. Yes. What is their responsibilities? Do you know? I just say, they said order, order, order. Their responsibilities is hearing evidence, making decisions, making rulings, interpreting laws, or instructing juries. What will they do? What is their responsibilities? They just hear the cases and decide the result. This is their duties. Okay, now the another one. Let me see. You can or not. What is this? What is this? Who can say what is this? This is lawyer. What is this? Lawyer. Do you know what is the definition of the lawyer? The definition of a lawyer is someone who gives legally advice or represents people in legal matters. That means the lawyer is someone who gives us legally advice or legal aid. This is lawyer. So now their responsibilities. What is their responsibilities? Can you tell me their responsibilities? Okay, I'm telling you. You just listen very carefully. To help people by legal aid, to help the court by explaining law, to prosecute cases in favor of accused persons in the court. This is the duties of the whose? Judge or the lawyer? The lawyer's duties or lawyer's responsibilities. What is their responsibilities? To help people by legal aid. And what will they do also? To help the court by explaining law and also to prosecute the cases in favor of accused persons in the court. Okay, one more thing. Do you know what are the differences between the lawyer and the judge? Are you thinking they are the same, lawyer or judge? No, there are differences. What are the differences? What will the judge do? Just hear and discuss the hear and decides the cases. But the lawyer, what will the lawyer do? Lawyer is helping who? Helping us by legal aids. This is the duties of the lawyer. So, do you understand what are the differences between the lawyer and judge? And do you know a lawyer says and judge, what the judge do? Judge hears and decides the cases. This is the differences between the judges and lawyers. Okay, now I will explain the flowchart, or you can say, okay, after finishing my explaining The flowchart you have to explain by your own self, the flowchart one by one. Okay, look at what is this? Can you see? Yes. Legal occupation. What is our topic? We say the legal occupations. Okay, so what is called legal occupations? Legal occupation means who works in different types of legal department for earning money or for earning their living. This is called legal occupations. There is a lots of legal occupations, like for example police, lawyer and judge. Now police, what will the police do, or who is police, or what is the definition of the police? The civil force of a state who is responsible for the prevention of crime and maintenance of the public opinion. This is called police. What is called police? Who maintains the order of the country and prevention of the crime of the country. This is called police. Okay, now the responsibility. What is their responsibility? The main or the major responsibility is to bring the court to the crime. Okay, and the second one, the traffic police, what will they do? The traffic police control the traffic and also control the movement of the transportation, and also they also help to us in our safety. Okay, now the second one is the lawyer. Who is lawyer, or what is the definition of the lawyer? The definition of the lawyer is someone who helps us in legally by aids or legally give us advices. This is called lawyers. And what is their responsibilities? The lawyer's responsibilities to help people by legal aid, to help the court by explaining law. This is the responsibilities of the who's the lawyer. Now the judge. What is called judge, or who is judge, or what is the definition of judge? The definition of the judge is someone who hears and decides the cases, or making the decision the cases. This is called judge in the court. Now the responsibility. What is their responsibilities? Their responsibilities to hearing the cases, to giving the result, making decisions, making ruling, etc. This is the responsibilities of the judge. And do you know what are the difference between the lawyer and the judge? They are not the same. The lawyer explain the cases to whom to judge, and to judge the judge who hears the lawyers talk, or lawyer's explanation, who hears, judge hears. This is the differences between the lawyer and the judge. After my finishing, students, what you will do, you just explain one by one the flowchart. After finishing this, you will read the lecture sheet, which I already gave in your website, in the Cosmo website. You just read it very properly and very carefully. After finishing the lecture sheet reading, then what you will do? You will do the practice work. I already give you the exercise. You will just read and write it in your own. I already gave the answer also. And what is your duty? Your after teacher will ask you the question, you just give the answer without the book or anything. So you have to, for this you have to read very carefully the lecture sheet and properly. So students, this is my class. Today is my class is over. So assalamu alaikum, all of you students, take care. Allah Hafiz.